those fumes. It smells like oil.
Oh shit. Go like all the way back here. What's that ass? Oh.
Yeah. It's all like the blue TVs.
Mag blue, right?
Yeah. Yeah, ever when I sold my 32.
This is so fire. Oh my God.
What now?
Oh, BBS.
Oh yeah. That's a
This
beautiful.
wheel is so nice.
What year is that?
88.
88.
Yes, I mean, I like it pre-airbag.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How long have you had it?
This one? Only 18. Oh, yeah. When I got it.
Oh, yeah. Hell yeah, brother. Huh.
It's a base model 911.
Oh, dang. Oh, bro, come on. Fuck it, bro.
Turbo yours.
Come on, please, Brandon. You gotta do this, bro.
This is, I think, the JDL one.
Is it?
I think.
Look, you have a little intake.
Yeah, Bryce. Just yesterday he changed.
What do you do if
Little
I step
turbo
on the
blanket?
split?
I might have to slap you, bro. Dude, our PIF ones are so good.
Oh, the fire feature.
Ooh, wait, what paint is this, bro?
Oh, aren't these the Toms?
Oh my God.
Look at that. Look, you can put your whole hand in there.
A lot of things.
I bet this thing sounds. I bet this thing sounds crazy.
This paint is really nice. Mine's like all faded and shit, so.
The clear coat's like coming out.
Oh, yep.
Oh my God, it's JD.
Uh,
That's literally his name.
I don't know, bro. Sounds alright. South Bend. Ooh, I literally was looking at these.
Where you should get those?
Should I? Dang, what the hell? This is low-key crazy.
Bro, this goes so hard. Bro, those fenders are.
Yeah.
Bro, we got the V6 Accord with camber. Look at this, bro. This is a gem.
Yep.
This is what I drove on. Amazing.
325 ES? What is that?
Oh, it's not even a. Oh, it's not even an M3.
I don't know anything about BMW, so.
It's like the middle spec. Being on the right side. I appreciate you for that.
SSR?
What even is the like drama? I had myself.
I know everyone's saying that you can't talk to anyone.
At Best Tire Shop? I think that's the one in
That's
Montana?
Christina, David's mom.
Oh.
That's who's been spreading that.
What?
That's where all of it started.
bit worried about.
Damn, that is so clean.
Bro, I can hear the echo.
Bro, that is so clean.
When I had the Cybon hood on this for years.
Oh my god.
I took that car over.
I think I saw it. I don't know what he was like.
Look at the interior.
That shit is so, like, it's literally the bare minimum.
I know.